hydrogen water bottle. I have it on right now, it's running. It's a very unique one. So this has a glass container here. It has a lid, USB-C, so it has a battery plugged into it, so this is kind of good on the go. Comes with a USB-C cable. This is how you turn it on and turn it off. So real simple. I used this a couple times. Can you taste the difference in the water? I would say not. Me and my wife both used it. You can get 2,000 parts of hydrogen in here with 1 3-minute cycle. So you turn it on right now, like right now it's running, it'll run for 3 minutes. You can actually see there's some stuff going on in there. And then if you want like another dose, like a 3,000 parts of hydrogen, then you just run it again, okay? And I think that's like the highest it recommends. Another nice thing about this one is that you can, on the go, you can take just the base with you and leave this at home and use and connect this to it. So you just screw this into this, I'll put this over there. I probably should turn it off. You can actually screw this into this. It comes with an adapter, and then turn it on and have hydrogen go into this water bottle. So really nice, very, very unique. I haven't seen that on any other of the hydrogen water bottles. It feels fine, like there ain't gonna be any issues with it. And I've really wanted to try this for a long time. I know there's a lot of people online that talk about this hydrogen water. So I will document my journey. I'll probably make another video in a few months to see how I feel, or a few weeks, I mean. I will drink this every day and see how it goes. But yeah, this is the water bottle. When it needs to be recharged, it'll go red, turns off when it's done. It's pretty straightforward. First time you use it, you have to fill it up with water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. I don't think you're supposed to have it on without water in it. And then dump that water out, and then you can use it, okay? So just make sure you follow the instructions. Instructions are super simple. Yeah, this is the packaging. Packaging's really cool. It's almost like almost reminds me kind of like a liquor bottle. I don't know why, but it's water, way better than liquor. Check it out.